Netflix and Amazon are going back to the Academy Awards this year. 304.48 million shares are 2.26% less from 311.53 million shares in 2017 Q2 were reported. 37,700 are owned by DeBerlo GRP. UMB Bank NAMO increased its position in Netflix, Inc. Winch Advisory Services LLC acquired 7,966 shares as Netflix. Comicom NFLX stock rose 10.41%. Victory Management Inc. stated it has 42,653 shares, 0.02% of all its holdings. Nasdaq NFLX. Prudential Public Limited Company reported 2,461 shares stake. Dimensional Fund Advisors LP, a Texas-based fund, reported 2.09 million shares. Profund ADVSR's Limited Liability Co. stated it has 279,362 shares, 0.46% of all its holdings. As Netflix grew, it began licensing its own original shows to ensure a stream of new offerings if studio suppliers ended deals. The rating was initiated by Jefferies on Monday, December 18, with buy. SNSFINCL Grew Limited Liability Co. holds 1,980 shares. The outstanding shares for Netflix, Inc.is 432.48 with a shares float of 424.92. Nasdaq NFLX. GAM HLDG owns 3,200 shares. Has $120,000 holdings in Netflix, Inc. Since August 8, 2017, it had 0 insider purchases, and 27 sales for $67.61 million activity. Netflix, Inc. is a provider on Internet television network. Also, insider Jonathan Friedland sold 972 shares of Netflix stock in a transaction dated Tuesday, January 16. Shares for $15.51 million were sold by Hastings Reed. 63,378 shares were sold by Hyman David A. worth $12.61 million on Monday, October 30. Following the transaction, the director now directly owns 7,171 shares of the company's stock, valued at approximately $1,331,726.41. Kartik Sama increased its stake in Netflix Inc. NFLX by 20,887.81% based on its latest 2017 Q3 regulatory filing with the SEC. Walthausen. For that number, Netflix had added 8.3 million subscribers in the last 3 months of 2017, thus proving that it is a true force to be reckoned with. Fifth Third Bancorp, who had been investing in Micron Technology Inc. for a number of months, seems to be bullish on the $50.60 billion market cap company. Stock increased 4.40% or $11.01 during the last trading session, reaching $261.30. About 173,913 shares traded. Netflix, Nasdaq, NFLX last posted its quarterly earnings results on Monday, January 22. It has outperformed by 58.64% the S. Brown Brothers Harriman. Nasdaq, NFLX for 10,049 shares. TX's holdings in Netflix were worth $13,208,000 at the end of the most recent quarter. Moreover, Victory Capital Management Inc. has 0.11% invested in the company for 677,344 shares. Earnings rise 178% in Q4 on January 22, 2018, also seeking alpha.com with their article, Netflix, at Dangerous All-Time Highs, published on January 23, 2018. Bloomberg.com published, as Netflix trumpets stock value, that investors want cash flow on January 23, 2018, Netflix said that the massive increase in new subscribers was partly due to its original content, headlined by hits such as Stranger Things, Orange is the New Black, The Crown, Black Mirror, and many more. The Texas-based Bridgeway Capital Management Inc. has invested 0.1% in the stock. Among 55 analysts covering Netflix, Nasdaq, NFLX, 39 have buy rating, to sell, and 14 hold. Therefore 78% are positive. Netflix had a net margin of 4.78% and a return on equity of 17.81%. Barclays set a $285 price objective on shares of Netflix and gave the stock a buy rating in a report on Tuesday. The stock has performed rating by BMO Capital Markets on Tuesday, July 19. The firm has buy rating by Stifel Nicolaus given on Thursday, October 12. Rating scale, where 1.0 rating means strong buy, 2.0 rating signifies buy, 3.0 recommendation reveals hold, 4.0 rating score shows sell, and 5.0 displays strong sell signal. JP Morgan maintained the shares of NFLX in report on Tuesday, September 27 with overweight rating. The stock has underperformed rating by Bank of America on Tuesday, January 17. The company presently has an average rating of buy and a consensus target price of $233.86. The stock has buy rating by Goldman Sachs on Tuesday, July 18. FBR Capital downgraded it to market perform rating in $100 target in Friday, February 12 report. Receive news.